everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are back with another makeup look, which is this one, which inspired by this beautiful ring from the Modgents Trading Corporation, and this ring called the Lovely. So this is the box. It comes with this box. I just want to say thank you to Modgents for sponsoring this video. So I just want to talk about a little bit about their company. They're actually a jewelry company. They sell some amazing jewelry pieces, but I want to talk about specifically about this ring and the reason why I specifically choose this. So this ring right here, it's called the Lovely in rose gold, which is handcrafted, beautiful, affordable, and backed by 100% satisfaction guarantee and a lifetime warranty. This ring features a magnificent 3-carat simulated marganate center stone and a strong 925 sterling silver band, plated in authentic rose gold. So this timeless and handcrafted ring is perfect for someone who desires a unique and extravagant wedding or engagement ring. So, and this is in size 6. So I've been actually into collecting a very unique ring, so that's why I chose this specific design to add in my collection. So I'm not really looking for the expensive kind. I'm just looking for something that are affordable but still look good, and it won't turn my skin green and it won't fade away as well. So that's why I really love this. So yeah, so if you guys want to see how I created this makeup look inspired by this beautiful ring here, so keep on watching.
Second. Now let me explain. See, I'm not trying to take you down, I'm trying to take away pain. Try my best to refrain from being the same as all these other low lifes that probably don't remember your name. And all your exes sitting left, I'm trying to home run. Trying to make you happy, make a difference in the long run. So trust me when I say I'm swollen shut. I'm spilling out my heart because you opened up, and now I'm going dumb when we touch. Yeah, I'm not saying that we're picture perfect, but I'm saying that we fit proportion. I'm showing you that we're more than love because of lust, not hidden behind the curtain. I'm telling all the facts, don't ask me because I'm certain. It's certain we both come from her places, but you don't have to tell yourself that that's the reason why we're in relation. I'm just trying to see a smile on your face and make this chapter permanent. No need to change the pages. Time I see a smile on your face. You always say I'm changing, but I only change the pace. You're following your dreams, and I know I do the same. But see, lately you're the only thing I'm needing that I chase. And I hate the fact that you only listen to what they say. I've never been the type to listen, now they hit the replay. It's funny how these things happen, never had a delay. Cause everything I'm seeing comes to life, and I don't see fake. I only see the real in you, probably why I fell in. I'm writing all these letters, you would think that I'm a felon. I'm going crazy, always buying what you're selling. And yeah, I know I'm stubborn, I hear nothing like I'm Helen. But once I make it, you'll have everything you want. I'll put you at the top when I get on. Yeah, I just wanna put the queen of buddies' pawns and carry out the story when you're gone.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on my next video.